Hey everybody, John here over at Byrider Green Bay, taking a minute to show off one of the vehicles we have on a lot right now. This is our 2009 Ford Taurus. All-wheel drive, six-cylinder engine, and just a really nice looking vehicle. This one's loaded. It's got a lot of the bells and whistles you like to see in vehicles. And it's just a really nice looking vehicle. I'll bring you inside here real fast with me. Automatic transmission. Cruise controls on the steering wheel. Control the radio from there as well, volume, stuff like that. I love the wood trim in this vehicle. I think it just looks so good with the tan interior. I love it. I love the look of it, love the style of it. Nice size back seat. You all your kids back there. Up to date middle console. Plenty of storage. Just a really nice vehicle. So if you're looking for something, I got this, and I got a whole lot of other options on my lot. We have something that's going to meet your needs. I mean, look at all that legroom. So give me a call, 920-455-7788. Or feel free to stop in and visit me here at our location of 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Just look for the big sign. Hope you all have a really great day, and we'll talk to you soon.